with a wig install slash review. The wig that we're going to be installing today is, her name is MAKEIDA or MAKEIDA. It is the melted hairline, OUTRE. She is 34 inches and I got her in the color 1B. So today we will be installing her. Okay, y'all, so this video had to end up being a voiceover because of the sounds in the back. But I was just basically showing y'all the wig, showing y'all the lace. So cute. Look how long it is. It's 34 inches. It is so cute. This is the length of it. As I told y'all, it is 34 inches. I was telling you guys right here to make sure you brush your wigs from bottom to the top to reduce chances of tangling. So this is the construction of the wig. As y'all can see, it is a side part, can't be shifted. It has that strap in the back, and what I'm doing right now is taking some foundation, putting that on the cap. So this right here is the LA Girl Pro Face Foundation. I'm just putting that on the cap and into the wig. This right here is the Fantasia Spritz Mega Hold Spray. It works so good, so I will be using that today. But what we're about to do now is go in and cut those ear tabs. Okay, y'all, so we're going in and we're spraying it, and then I will be using the blow dryer and a rat tail comb to lay it down and melt it in. So I'm just showing y'all how it looks so far. So what we're about to do is just continue going in with that spray and melting it down. So what you see me doing right here is taking that wig melting band and putting it on a lace, but I am going to go in and spray another coat of the Fantasia Spritz spray just to make sure everything is laid down. But you can put that wig band on for about 10 minutes, or if you're in a rush, you want to just blow dry it on a cool setting. So now what I'm doing, y'all, is just going in and flat ironing the hair. I have it on 355, I believe, because I didn't want to put too much heat on the hair, because this is like a yaki texture and I didn't want to take that texture out. Now we're going in and we're just cutting that lace off. I do it in like a little crisscross motion so it wouldn't just be straight across. So right here, y'all may see that the lace looks a little ashy, but I swear to you, in person, the lace is not ashy. So I'm just going in with some more foundation powder. But I was telling you guys that I really didn't care about the other side that wasn't showing, so that wasn't laid down. So don't worry about that too much on me if you see it lifting. So now we're on my favorite part, which is the edges, the baby hair. I love it, so I'm just pulling out the hair and y'all gonna see how I style the edges. Okay, so y'all see I'm going in with the wax stick. I'm just getting everything flat, and then I am going to be bringing in the hot comb. Combing process, it could be a lot, so I kind of missed a good bit. But what I'm going in with right now is some dry shampoo by Dove. It just gives the wig a more natural look, because you know synthetic wigs, they come with that shine, so that dry shampoo will just take that shininess away. Okay, y'all, so I cut me some baby hair. And now what I'm doing is going in with like a mini flat iron, just curling those edges upwards. I thought I curled it downwards, but it really doesn't matter. But either way you curl it, it'll be curled. So what we're doing now, you know, you're gonna see me style the edges. I just took that Fantasia spritz spray and just started swooping the hair. Just sprayed some on the edge brush and on my finger and started swooping that baby hair. So after the edges, I just went ahead on and got me some mascara and just went ahead on and cleaned up that part because some foundation got like everywhere. So I just cleaned up that part with the mascara. I wish I could have heard me talking right here, but like I said, it had to be a voiceover because of the noise in the background. But this wig came out so cute, 34 inches. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful wig. This is so beautiful. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss another video from me. I love you guys.